Hi everybody! This is our databot. It's got this cute little satchel where you can attach and detach. So you hold it here, and then there's these little clickers that you click, and then you pull this out, and same thing for in. There you go.
And the best part is it actually looks like a bot. It looks like a real robot. It's really neat. So we charged it for about 30 minutes. It's got its Bluetooth light. It's ready to go. So I've got my phone here. I am on the databot setup page. I downloaded the Firefox, I hope I'm saying that right, Firefox app. So now we're going to see what it can do. So let's scan it. We're going to scan the code. This is what it looks like on my Firefox app. I'm gonna tap, press QR, and now I'm gonna scan the code on the computer. And we're gonna do our first experiment, which
Databot air
is
pressure.
the CO2. I don't know if it's visible. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Look at that's your CO2. So that's what's in your mouth coming out. So now it's going down. Now it's going back up again. Cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right.
Now the temperature.
Neat. All right. We'll do one more. You want to do temperature?
Yeah.
Let me add. I don't know if I have to add all the experiments at one time. Let me see. Oh, save all. Okay, so let me save all of them. Now we have all these experiments.
Alright, wait. I want to pick which one. Wait, is that databot humidity?
There's ultraviolet light.
Where's ultraviolet light?
Ultraviolet light is right here. Where do you think ultraviolet light comes from?
I don't know.
The sun. So what could we do to test ultraviolet light?
Oh no.
Well, you don't move my phone, you move the databot.
Oh, I don't move the phone. I move the databot. Here, I'm gonna disconnect it from this guy.
So here's the data. Maybe put it near the window.
Yeah, sounds good.
Oh, he's gonna go check the window. And while he does, so here's my screen. I hope you can see. You can see that it's gone way up as he went towards the window. Super cool. So I absolutely love the databot. I think every family in America should have one, and I'm not being paid to say this. I just truly think it is fun. What do you think, Jay?
I think it is very, very, very fun.
It's very fun. It's very accessible. I love the interface. I love how easy it is to use. And I also think that there's just so many applications. You can do so many different cool experiments. Like, what do you think you're going to do next?
I'm going to do air pressure.
You want to do air pressure? We could attach it with the Velcro to your helmet when we go to the bike park. It just makes science so much more accessible and relatable to kids' everyday life. So get a databot. I love it. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.